Bullying has become a big problem within our schools. This study was done by 2010 Massachusetts Bully Prevention and Intervention Law. It is based on school statistics and how instructors and students alike feel about bullying in their schools and how to prevent it. Over 40% of school staff indicated that bullying was a moderate or major problem of their schools. So, what is bullying? Bullying is either physical, verbal, relational, or cyber, and it can be deliberate, repeated, or a power imbalance.
Who is involved in bullying? Those who bully are bullied and witness bullying may play different roles in a bullying situation. Bullies select and systematically train their victims to comply with their demands and seek active encouragement, passive acceptance, or silence from bystanders. Victims reward the bully by yielding control and showing signs of intimidation, may fail to gain support from bystanders, sometimes avoid reporting the bullying, often are students who appear different and can include students with disabilities, such as students of ethnic or racial minorities and lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and questioning youth. Bystanders see or hear about bullying, may exacerbate a situation by providing an audience or failing to say anything, can be actively complicit if encouraging or joining in, sometimes discourage the bullying by defending the victim or redirecting the situation. Who gets hurt from bullying? Bullies are less likely to develop social skills, are not generally well liked in high school, and are more likely to associate with aggressive friends. Victims are more likely to show signs of depression and anxiety, may feel sad or lonely. Bystanders who witness bullying are more likely to use tobacco, alcohol, or other drugs, are more likely to feel depressed and anxious.
So, how do we stand up? As teachers, we can have procedures in our classroom in regards to bullying. Students can tell a trusted adult if they are being bullied. Bystanders can discourage the bullying by standing up for the victim. We can incorporate some of these ideas into the classroom as well. For example, language arts. We can use character analysis. If we are doing life sciences, we can document the statistics that the students find if they are doing a report around school.